In this fast paced world, we all have different wishes. We have a lot many dreams that we want to accomplish. But the little voice in our mind that is telling us that, you won't be able to achieve these goals. You won't be able to have it. From where it is telling you? It is telling you from who you were or who you are today. But from what you have become today. You have become today from whatever the habits that you inculcate, whatever habits you inculcated during your childhood, during your college, as you grew up, and you eventually became like this. So, does that mean that you cannot achieve your dreams? No, that does not mean. If you look at my story, if you look at my old videos, the videos that I created, the level of confidence with which I spoke on this camera, the way I face the camera, it is altogether different, and this will be different. So if you want to achieve the things that you want in your life, it is possible for you. And how, I'll be discussing in this video that the important thing, that how 5 ways to you can achieve the whatever things that you want. For those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Harit Bhatt, and I am the communication catalyst on a mission to transform 1 million professionals to unlock their voice. These professionals who are fed up with their EMI lives, having home loan, having car loan, so many debt, and they are sacrificing on their dreams. Yes, these professionals to build an exceptional life of freedom using their voice. So without further ado, let me share my screen and show you the 5 ways to get whatever you want. This is an ABCDE formula that you will learn. Now what I mean by A is ask what you want. For example, setting clear goals, defining your work, scheduling yourself for the day. When you set a goal for yourself. Actually, what I want in life. Do I want a luxurious car? Do I want to have a luxurious villa? Or what kind of life I want to live? Most of us are not clear about it. And when I tell you that, people are following the crowd. After completing the graduation or the certification that they have, they simply go for the job or the traditional conventional business that they have been doing. And after working on that for a few years, they miss that enthusiasm, zeal and excitement of the life, and they get monotonous. And what I call those people is they are the living zombies. Okay, so if you want to transform from your living zombies, you need to transform yourself from living zombies to a alive person, happy and happening. Then you need to set clear goals, what you want in your life, not only now, but what you want after 10 years, 20 years. So you need to set your clear goals. Another beautiful thing is that when you set your goals, the second thing you need to do is believe in yourself. See, our system, our tradition is such that whenever you will try something new, there will be people, maybe your loved ones, maybe your friends, who will be stopping you and telling you that, hey, whatever you are doing, it's not right, it's not proper, it's not going to work, you will fail, तुमको कुछ आता नहीं है, तुम्हारे कैपेसिटी नहीं है. And when you listen to them and you give up, you won't be able to achieve your dream life, and you will be living that average life that you have been living so far. So whenever you start, believe in yourself. And how to do that? How to believe in that? I know initially it will be difficult for you, but what you can do is you can watch some motivational videos, watch some self-conviction videos, have a mentor in your life who is guiding you to the path, who is supporting you, who is showing you the steps you need to take. Those are the things that you can do that can help you to believe in yourself. Today where I am, initially I was not having the belief that whatever thing that I'm doing is right or wrong, the difference I can make or not. But today when I see people changing, transforming, they're sharing their happiness with me, the conviction has doubled, and now I don't need someone's support like that. Of course, someone say appreciates, I love it. So if you are also loving this video, don't forget to appreciate and like to my videos and subscribe to my channels, and also comment how you are finding these videos. So the Third, the C is the, if you want believing in yourself, you need to commit to your consistent action. Consistent actions like regular imperfect actions. When you want to start a new thing, we think about, ये work करेगा कि नहीं, वो work करेगा कि नहीं, ये ठीक से होगा कि नहीं. When I started making videos, initially I was focusing so much on technical things, the lights बराबर है कि नहीं, अरे मैं बराबर दिख रहा हूँ कि नहीं, मेरे कपड़े ठीक है कि नहीं, that kind of things. It comes naturally, right? And everyone have this kind of thing. But right now when I'm recording this video, camera is webcam say, and microphone, I'm using t-shirt and everything, I'm just recording. The more important thing is that you do the work, because unless you do the work, unless you take the action, you won't be able to know that what is right, what is wrong. And we spend so much time on overthinking. So don't do that. Commit to consistent action. Eventually you will understand what is the thing that are working and what are the things that are not working. And the D is develop resilience. As I talked to you earlier, when someone says a negative comment on whatever we are doing, we feel bad, right? And we resist to talk to that person. Of course, it is okay, but it should not impact your actions, your creative actions, your future actions. Most of the time, what people do is when someone says a negative words or negative talk about you, they stop. They go back into the shell and they talk to themselves. Oh, I'm not good enough. Oh, I'm not this, blah, 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 blah. Any multiple things they tell. Okay. But I know that you are capable of much more, doing much more things than what you are doing right now. And so what you need to do is you need to develop resilience. If you are feeling bad from those people, it's okay. But watch motivational videos, do whatever things that you can, like reading books, like listening to good motivational stories, like the stories of Shrikant, stories of Steve Jobs, Ritesh Agarwal, Dhirubhai Ambani, MS Dhoni. When you listen to the story, they inspire you to come back, bounce back from your low energy to the high energy. And when you have that high energy, you can perform very well in your life. So the develop resilience, the E stands for engage your network. Your network is your net worth. So connect to your neighbors, relatives for whatever the things that you are doing, because unless they know about whatever things that you are doing, no one will come from their side. You will have to take that first step and connect to them. Hey, I am doing so and so things. Can you help me with this? Can you support me with this? Oh yeah, I'm these products. I'm using these products and they have proven very well for me. I hope if you need it, you let me know. I am doing a side business also with this. Anything, man, you need to connect to your network. If you are not doing that, you are making a big mistake. So these are the A, B, C, D, E formula from the 5 ways to get whatever you want. Now comes the bonus tip, and this is very, very important, very, very critical, and it's my favorite. And it is break your comfort zone. Yes, it is break your comfort zone. When I'm trying to tell you, do these things, the little voice in your mind will tell that, I'm not good at this. Oh, will it work? Oh, it is so tough. It is so challenging. And that little voice, which I call the dingo, in my book called Me, authored by me, that is Me versus My Mind. When you listen to dingo, you will never, never, never progress in your life. So if you want to grow, listen to your bingo. The bingo says that, okay, let me try it out. Yes, it is tough for me. No problem. Let me try it out. When you speak to yourself like this, you break your comfort zone, you break your barriers, and you move forward and you try something new. When you try something new, you may fail or you may pass. But if you pass, you need to celebrate, and if you fail, you need to push yourself. Okay, let me try it next time, and I'm going to succeed it next time. You need to do it repetitively. When I'm telling you, the way I'm creating videos right now, the way I'm delivering my sessions right now, it's totally different. I'm still growing. I'm still breaking my comfort zone. With every video, with every session I deliver, I'm breaking my comfort zone. I always tell to myself, no, let me try it. Fail हुआ तो क्या हुआ? लोग हंसेंगे ना, क्या होगा? पर अगर मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया तो क्या होगा? I will not even move forward. So, do break your comfort zone, and that is the only way that can help you to grow in your life. So with that, follow this ABCD network. I will summarize and show the screen for the last time, and you can just have a look at it. I will just magnify and scroll so that you can understand completely. Okay, so these are the 5 ways to get whatever you want, and this is a bonus step. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your loved ones whom this video can help, and support my mission. If you want to join my community, the link is in the description, don't forget. And if you can also read my book Me versus My Mind, which is exclusively available on Amazon and Flipkart. Just go and get your copy and transform your life in 9 days. Bye bye. Take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and love yourself.